So this is the bed. We have some grass to take out, some crepe myrtle, lilac, some plantings, a little water feature right in there, planting bed coming down this way, and then stop them before the corner there. This is their patio. This is the space they hang out. I want to create something there so they enjoy it more. And then I suggested a water feature right here on the edge to really sit there and enjoy and have that sound. We're starting on this one. This is a house in Garden City. We're actually gonna tear out this grass, tear out a small area over here, take this corner space for them and turn this into a planting area with some spill bowls, with some aquatic lights and planting and plant lights. So if you look back on our YouTube, you'll see last year we were at this house in the front. They came back to us. We're working on the back. So this is our canvas. So if you keep watching, you'll start to see some time-lapse shots of what's going to happen, and it'll probably start just about now. Guys, again, the area back in there planted. Right now we've got our basin dug in. We're gonna make sure our elevations are good, which I think they are. Make sure it's level, fill it up. Then we're gonna put our liner in. We've got our 2 bowls here we're gonna be building. Some plants to go in it, gravel, rocks. Then they're gonna start lighting it, and we'll get lights in this end of it as well. So it's a wrap. We're all done here. Planting is all done. Feature is up and running. Let me know what you think. If you had a little backyard, wouldn't you want to hang out somewhere like here?